Ma? Ma?
Welcome to the Dark Encrypt, where the unknown and the unexplained converge in a swirl of mystery and intrigue. I'm your host, Mr. Cornwell, a seasoned investigator with over 2 decades of experience in uncovering the world's most perplexing mysteries. Welcome back to the Dark Encrypt, and tonight you're going to see some amazing, never-before-seen footage. Tonight, we're embarking on a journey to the edge of reality. A series of bizarre and inexplicable occurrences is poised to enlighten our world. So prepare yourself for a journey into the unknown as we unravel the secrets hidden within the darkened crypt. Our journey begins in Peru, where a mysterious tentacled creature has been caught on camera. The footage is grainy, but the implications are profound. Is this a being from another world, or a previously unknown species from our own planet? The questions are endless, and the answers are few. The creature was first spotted by local villagers, who were both terrified and fascinated by its appearance.
Y no puedo avanzar. En mi mente ya yo me decía no puedo mover.
La aparición que se desplaza a través de los surtidores.
But that's not all. In the Philippines, reports are flooding in of strange glowing orbs appearing in the skies.
It's happening right now in the Philippines. What are these? Someone explain what is this? What's going on? This is not normal.
Leaving both locals and experts baffled. These ethereal entities defy explanation, and their sudden widespread appearance has sparked a frenzy of speculation. Are these orbs connected to the creature in Peru, or are they a separate, equally enigmatic phenomenon? Eyewitnesses describe the orbs as pulsating with an otherworldly light, while scientists are scrambling to analyze the phenomena. Some theories suggest a natural atmospheric event, while others propose advanced technology, or even extraterrestrial origins. The local community is torn between fear and curiosity as the mystery deepens. As we continue to track the global phenomenon of mysterious orbs and energy surges, we arrive in Argentina, where a bright object in the sky has been captured on camera, emitting a strange sound and triggering a sudden eerie energy surge. The video shows lights flickering wildly like a strobe effect as the object hovers above the city. The streets, once bathed in the soft glow of streetlights, are now plunged into a mesmerizing dance of light and darkness. Local residents have reported seeing these strange lights and hearing unsettling noises. "It was like nothing I've ever seen before," says one local resident. "The lights were so bright and the sound was eerie." Scientists are also baffled by these occurrences. They have been analyzing data to understand the nature of these energy surges. "The energy readings are off the charts," explains Dr. Martinez, a leading researcher. "We are seeing patterns that defy conventional understanding." The energy surges have also been affecting local electronics, causing lights to flicker and power to fluctuate. As the investigation continues, the people of Argentina remain on edge, watching the skies and waiting for answers. In New Jersey, a strange blue orb has been filmed hovering just 2 feet above the ground in a man's driveway. The orb seems to be on the verge of landing, and the homeowner's footage is nothing short of breathtaking. The homeowner, visibly excited, described the orb as mesmerizing and unlike anything he had ever seen. We're observing a global pattern of strange occurrences that seem to be connected, hinting at a phenomenon that spans across continents and defies easy explanation. Finally,
drone pointing a powerful laser into space? What's happening? Where is the government?
It's as if the universe is trying to tell us something, that we're not alone, that there's more to reality than what we can see and touch. The orbs, the creatures, the energy surges, it's all part of a larger tapestry, a mystery waiting to be unravelled. As we gaze up at the starry skies, now ablaze with unearthly light, we're reminded that the truth is out there, waiting for us to discover it. This is the moment when the world comes together to witness something truly extraordinary. The age of denial is over, the age of discovery has begun. As we stand at the threshold of this new era, we're left with more questions than answers. But one thing is certain, nothing will ever be the same again. The universe has spoken, and we've been forever changed by the experience. Experts around the globe have weighed in, offering insights and theories that challenge our understanding of reality. The implications for humanity are profound. Are we on the brink of a new understanding of our place in the cosmos? As we continue to explore these mysteries, we must remain open-minded and collaborative, embracing the unknown with curiosity and courage. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the unknown. Until next time, stay curious, stay open-minded, and keep looking up at the stars. Good night and goodbye.